Hey there, foodies and health enthusiasts. Get ready to dive into a plateful of knowledge because today, we're spilling the beans on 8 incredible foods that can help you kick high blood pressure to the curb. Let's get cooking. Food number 1, terrific tomatoes. First up, we've got tomatoes. Bursting with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, these red beauties can help relax blood vessels and support healthy blood pressure levels. So whether it's in a fresh salad or a hearty pasta sauce, make tomatoes your new BFF. Food number 2, banana boost. Peel your way to lower blood pressure with bananas. Packed with potassium, they're a natural way to balance sodium levels and keep those arteries relaxed. Enjoy them as a snack, in smoothies, or on top of your morning oatmeal. Food number 3, nuts for nuts. Time to go nuts for nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are packed with healthy fats, magnesium, and fiber. They're like a snack time symphony that helps improve blood flow, making your heart do a happy dance. Food number 4, lively lemons. Zesty and refreshing, lemons are your blood pressure's best friend. Their vitamin C content supports blood vessel health, and they add a burst of flavor to your dishes. Squeeze some lemon love on salads, seafood, or simply in your water. Food number 5, berry bonanza. Berries aren't just sweet treats, they're blood pressure superheroes. Loaded with antioxidants called flavonoids, they help dilate blood vessels and keep your circulation in tip-top shape. Blend them into smoothies, sprinkle them on yogurt, the berry possibilities are endless. Food number 6, oats galore. Wake up to a bowl of goodness with oats. Their high fiber content not only keeps you full but also helps regulate blood pressure. Swap sugary cereals for a warm bowl of oatmeal topped with your favorite fruits. Food number 7, amazing avocado. Avocado lovers, rejoice. These creamy delights are rich in potassium and heart-healthy fats. They're like a culinary hug for your arteries. Spread them on toast, toss them in salads, or whip up some guacamole. It's a win-win. Food number 8, olive oil. Last but not least, we've got olive oil. This liquid gold is packed with monounsaturated fats that support blood vessel elasticity. Drizzle it on salads, use it for sauté. It's the secret to heart-healthy deliciousness. And there you have it, 8 incredible foods that are like a one-way ticket to better blood pressure. So why wait? Head to your kitchen, start experimenting, and let these foods do wonders for your health.